Hey, what's going on, everybody? Santiago here. You guys are going to probably be upset, but we just had our Zoom call launching our new crypto trading bot. And unfortunately, I didn't start the recording right away. I actually started it halfway through the presentation. However, there's some valuable content on there, as well as you guys will see in the description the actual link to sign up and how to get your $1,250 to test our dual investments. So enjoy the call, guys, and stay tuned for more updates. God bless.
We
My
executing.
bad, my bad, Ray. Are you recording on your end or no?
No.
My apologies. I started the recording right now. I should have started it sooner, but yeah, you can continue. My apologies, Ray.
It's okay. I can do another short presentation just for your recorded video, and right now we can do something like.
Hey, that works, buddy. Thank you.
Okay, so the performance of this strategy with this particular scalping range, executing 679 profitable trades over a year, earning 12.5% in profit. That sounds great, but we are missing a lot of these out of a range scalping zone, because as you can see in this chart, it seems we missed a little bit, but this is, as you can see, it's from May to the end of the August. That's a lot of months, a lot of times you're not having profitable trades, which is why we need to expand the scalping range to 1,000 and 10,000. And by backtesting that strategy, after executing this strategy, our bots results in 49.5% in profit with 1,989 profitable trades over a year. That's almost 50%. Right? So with around 2,000 trades in a year, which is over 5 profitable trades every day. And anyone who has some little bit of trading experiences will know that how hard it is to have a 5 profitable trades every day consistently. We all have green days, we all have red days, but 5 profitable trades consistently every day, it's a dream for every trader. And humans can't achieve this because you simply cannot just always watch the market. We need rest, we need to go to the bathroom, we need to eat a meal, we need time to with friends, with family, with our loving ones. And bad trade happens with human emotions. We FOMO in the pump, and we panic sell at the bottom, and all that. So this is why we made a Pinax Moonbot, and Moonbot is just a variation of Greatbot, and we have a lot of other bots to offer. So this is exactly how Moonbot works. Just like the Bitcoin random price chart I provided earlier. So it determines a wide scalping range for you, and it divides it to little by little. So it catches movement greater than 0.3%. So I've heard that by Bitscap, you guys can, in Binance, only have 180 grids. And our Moonbot right now, which doesn't have a Bitcoin transaction fee, has 1,000 grids. And you can catch each and every little market moves and keep generating profitable trades every day, or every minute, or every second, if I mean. So the same plan, you buy a little bit Bitcoin as your initial position. When the price goes up, you sell a little bit, and when the price goes down, you buy. So keep doing it over and over and over again. So this is how the Moonbot performs. So the Moonbot generates 49.5% of passive profits for a whole year, and doing almost 2,000 profitable trades. And it performs way better than holding, because by holding, you almost earn nothing. And this is the winning case for Bitcoin, because the Ethereum has more volatility than Bitcoin. So the profit for the Bitcoin is relatively lower than the Ethereum Moonbot, but it's much safer bet, because we all know that Bitcoin is a king. And by backtesting for a whole year, the Moonbot generates 17.15% of passive income and doing almost 3,000 profitable trades in less than a year. So David could have such a different story if he's just using our Moonbot and not surviving the bear market in a sense, but also earning a lot of a passive income and passive profits. Those 2 years could be thousands of profitable trades made by Moonbot, and he can earning money every day. And the good thing is you can keep release those profit and reinvest in the bots to compound your profit, or you can take all those profit to doing some more risky coins. Because what I was doing earlier was I'm using a grid bot, and after each time I release a profit, half of the profit goes back to the grid bot to compound my profit, and another half I was throwing as riskier coin as possible, just to try to catch some 1x potential, 100x potential. So this is our Pinex Moonbot. It's free to use, and it's trade 24/7 for you, and it only generates profitable trades. And by using the Moonbot, you can keep accumulating micro profits. And like I said earlier, you can release profit to compound it. So I think our Pinex is more in a position that you can treat it as your crypto arsenal. So we have all the tools you need to survive and thrive in the crypto universe. And for auto compound and scalping, we have DCA bots, we have rebalancing bot. If you want to create your own metaverse ETF, we have grid trading bots, and there's other more advanced use of grid bot. We have leverage grid bot for the global user, and we also have some upcharge opportunities and structured products. And also we have spot trading, manual trading as well. So this is an example of more of an advanced usage of the grid bot. So if you are denominated by BTC, which a lot of crypto OGs does, and this one is perfect for you because you keep profiting from the Ethereum and Bitcoin price movement. And during the bear market, it's mainly sideways, and you can earn profit in each bounce. And in the bull market, you can have more profitable trades for the grid bot because it bounces in a much wider range. And if the ETH and Bitcoin grid bot out of your preset range, that's probably a top sign, because during the bull market, alt's gonna outperform the Bitcoin, and sold on the top and taking profits probably not a bad thing. And by that way, you can gain more Bitcoin as the time goes by. And this is an example of a Ethereum and a Bitcoin trading grid trading bot we opened 22 days ago. As you can see, we're already earning a lot of Bitcoin. So do you guys have any questions and concerns about our platform, our bot usage, or our?
Real quick, Ray, can you go back to the last slide?
Daar is sleutel van jou, van die sleutel daarachter. Is dat niet een sleutel daaraan?
I just wanted to see that. What's the time frame behind this? Like, how long was it trading for?
Oh, it trades 22 days.
Okay, awesome. Awesome. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump into any questions that you guys may have. You can unmute your mic, but let's be respectful. Awesome. All right, so do we got any questions?
Yes. What is the minimum to start? What is suggested minimum of crypto to start trading the bot?
Oh, for the Moonbot I was talking about, it was 130, and for the 1000 grid one, it was 230.
Oh, so sorry, I missed it. Yeah, thanks.
And if you guys remember what our previous bot provider, it was, if you were trading with Binance, it provided the most grids. It was 180 grids. Let me just mute this individual 1 second. 180 grids. Got to mute you, Deanne. Yeah, it was 180 grids, and the investment size was, I want to say, about 230 or something like that. So to be able to get 1,000 grids with relatively the same investment is awesome.
Yeah, one thing about it is it's the trading bot has somewhat of steep learning curve, right? We need to try and error and see different settings to maximum our gains. And it doesn't make sense to pay for $30, $50 for each month, but just trying your $250 funds, right? That's why we create a free platform. You can try and error. You can start small and the learning as your account grows.
Yep. Mostly, I mean, for me, I signed up. Okay, we'll get into that here shortly. Me is the handling aspect. I mean, you gave an excellent example with David, which the majority of us we do hodl, and to be able to leverage a bot and generate profits when the market is sideways. I mean, it's amazing, and statistically, it shows that I mean, you can profit more than just sitting on your hands waiting for the price to go up. Awesome. We got Kay Hamilton. I signed up. How can I get the 1250? So can we discuss the 1250, $1,250 and the dual investment?
Yes.
We got roughly 8 minutes left, so we can just run through that part.
Oh, that's a trial funds you can use in our global platform, which do dual investment. If you guys are not familiar with dual investment, it's more of a option strategy, which previously only hedge funds and big funds have access to, but now we are offering it to the retail investors. And you can reap the rewards, profits of that trial funds.
Do you have a slide for it, Ray?
Not right now, no.
Okay, so yeah, so as he mentioned, just
yeah, go ahead.
I was just going to just add to it. So the trial funds of 1,250 is going to go towards what's called a dual investment. And the dual investment works similar to options trading, if you guys are familiar with options trading. If not, I know that we only have 7 minutes left. I'll be able to get this out there, and then I'll get the content that deals specifically with this particular promotion. Now, you don't get to keep the 1250, of course, but you're able to apply it and test out the trial dual investment, and then the profit or the profit generated is what they keep. Is that correct, Ray?
Yeah, dual investment lets you earn interest no matter the direction of the market, which is the beauty of it.
Awesome. So it doesn't matter where the market goes. You can benefit each way. And again, I know that's real brief, but I'll get you guys the content that deals specifically with the promotion we just mentioned. I don't know much about trading. What happens if after you start trading, you make losses, God forbid? You want to answer that, Ray?
Yeah, it's all about trading plan, because a lot of retail traders, they came into the market, they usually go all into one coin and think that the coin would pump. The thing about the trading is you need to have a thesis to you need to have thesis, and then you need to have invalidation, right? So if you enter a trade, you think, okay, Bitcoin is gonna pump because Fed is having a quantitative easing. So that's your thesis. And when the Fed stopped that, the thesis being stopped, right? You have to sold your position because of that particular reason. So a lot of people, they entered in a trade for one reason and they exit for another reason. So that's why we have to keep consistency. And for answer your question, you make a loss. I think trading loss is a part of a journey, and each loss is a lesson for you. You just have to set a stop loss and keep the loss to the minimum. the key thing is when you win, you want to win big, and when you lose, you want to lose as less as possible. That's the plan.
Yeah, a mindset and having a plan beforehand is, I mean, it's a must. You know, don't invest anything that you can't risk to lose. And we've learned with crypto, you only lose when you sell the crypto below the value at which you get it. You know, so the bots will generate consistent profit, but if the market takes a dip, you know, and that particular cryptocurrency drops in value, that's not something that we can control. You know, so again, having a trading plan is huge. Having the right mindset is huge. Definitely don't trade with leverage if you're getting started, meaning you're risking losing everything. And then you got to connect to the community, you know, being able to jump on some of these trading sessions, learn where you can, at least enough so that you know how to function the bots and you understand the risk with them. There's another question. Is there a set time by which the trial funds must be repaid?
Yes, there's a set time.
What's the set time?
I think it's let me recheck.
Okay.
I think it's 1 or 2 days just to give your foot wet and trying to see how it goes.
Yeah, so 1 or 2 days. I believe Tate mentioned 2 days. So it is brief, but it is free, and it allows you to test the system and, you know, generate some free money, some free profit. And it does, as he mentioned, it doesn't matter which way the market decides to go. Let's see. Do we have any other questions, guys? There's 2 minutes left before we close out. I'll get this video out, and then again, I'll get some more content pertaining to the trial funds. And then for those of us that are in the United States, we're going to have another call within the next week or so. There's other promotions that we can apply to those here in the United States. If you're here in the States and you want the trial funds, unfortunately, we don't get that. I don't get that. I'm here in the United States. What trading platforms are usable? It's its own exchange. Pinex is its own exchange. So it's not attaching anything through API or anything. It's directly on the platform. Great question. You guys remember we could apply, we can use whatever exchange we were with. Well, I wouldn't say whatever. There's about 20, 30 of them that we can use with our previous bot provider. Well, here we're directly on the exchange. Any other questions, guys? We're down to a minute.
Just one thing to add.
Hello, good evening.
Okay.
I think I'm.
This-
talking about withdrawal fees. Withdrawal fees compared to CEX.
Hello.
Yes, one moment. I will mute you here shortly. We got less than a minute actually. So what about the I'll get you all that, Kuhn. I'll get you the withdrawal fees and all that information. Whoever that was that had a question, unmute right now. You got probably 40 seconds. If not, you can send it to me directly and then I'll get you guys an answer. All right, well, we're out of here. It's about 30 seconds left. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for attending. I'll get the information and content posted in the group so that you guys know what's going on. Any other questions, just reach out to me directly and I'll be able to help you guys. Stay tuned. We'll be back here again. God bless. Much success to you all. Bye.